Good morning from Alton Towers. Today it's Scott here filming another SW8 update for Pleasure Beach Experience YouTube. Dare I say he's on the telly now? Today's update will be more of a visual update like the last one. Don't know as much about this as I do Icon, but I'm just going to try and show you what work's been done on it lately.
And to help me today, I've brought along my good friend Jules.
Thanks, Elliot. Today's episode is especially exciting.
The screens are now working for the SW8
What is an SW8?
videos.
Elliot?
It's Alton Towers' secret weapon program, the park's code name for their most unique, biggest and fantastical rides.
The first secret weapon rides, SW1 and SW2, were original concepts.
Rumours are that this will be called the Wicker Man. If it is, hopefully it'll have Iron Maiden's famous song playing in the queue. Given that it's a Saturday, there seems to be a lot of workmen on site, which is great to see. Great for me who is here for an update more than anything else.
The world's first flying roller coaster.
In 2016, Air was reimagined as Galactica, the world's first roller coaster fully dedicated to virtual reality.
Using cutting-edge technology to make your ride completely unique.
How can I be in space?
This guy seems to be making quite a lot of progress, to be fair to him. So now walking along a path alongside where SW8 is being constructed. Like I say, I don't know lots about this project, but I've got to say it's taking shape really nicely. This corner here looks like it'll probably be one of my favourite parts of SW8. Like I say, there's a guy up there putting wooden planks down, as you would expect on a woody construction. Looks like a lot of the pathways around SW8's site are starting to take shape. Looks like this is going to be some sort of queue or viewing area, something like that anyway. Again, I've not seen the plans as frequently as Icon, so don't know what everything's for yet, but it's just good to see the construction progressing so well. And it's good to see Alton Towers finally building a woody. Even if it's not going to be the woody that we all hope they will do through the valley, it still looks like it could be a good ride. Crane on site. Lots of work going on, as you would expect. So the little bunny hopping shot will hopefully be a nice pop of airtime. I mean, I'll show you it from afar. It looks like it would be, but you just never know with woodies. They're either airtime filled or restricted by the train, so hopefully this won't be restricted and I'll have lots of airtime, but I guess we'll find out next year. A lot of people comparing the construction with Icon and SW8. Please don't. Woodies are built on site, steel coasters are built in factories and transported onto site. That's why Towers have done so much for SW8 already.
And we'll find a
last time we filmed an update, all this was just gravel and mud. Now it appears that a pathway has properly been constructed right past the structure like I predicted last time. If that does turn out to be the queue line area, that is going to be such a great spot for taking pictures and filming. So yeah, if this does turn out to be part of the queue line, well done Towers, that's going to be a great viewing point. And there's a couple of guys around this area. This guy in shots just stood there for ages. It's more of the observational type. The two guys in the orange have been up there for a while now. Seem to be knocking in stuff. There we go. Look at that for a scoop. So I'm walking along to see more of SW8 and towards the lift hill and the first drop. The first drop looks a bit strange, I've got to say, but it might turn out to be really good. Might not. So this in shot now is what I believe will be the first drop. Closer look at what I just zoomed in on from around the corner. It's the guys working in this area here. Looks like it's going to be a busy day on the site of SW8 today. He's got a great job up there. I'm going to go and take a couple of rides on Nemesis, but I'll come back over here in a bit and see what else they've done. But in case nothing changes, I'll end the video here. I want to thank you all for watching this Pleasure Beach Experience SW8 update, and we'll see you in the next Pleasure Beach Experience video. Thanks guys.